Imagine if you could see the world as it used to be over 100 years ago in 3D, through the eyes of an Arabian man. Using original 3D stereoscopic photography, these digitally restored images can now be seen by modern-day audiences like never before. This series of films features the Middle East. The Great Pyramid and Sphinx. A lemonade seller in Cairo. Bedouins and camels near the monastery of St. Catherine, Sinai. Donkey boys in Cairo. The donkey market in Cairo. Portrait of a Bisharin boy. Women carrying fuel. A well at St. Catherine Monastery, Sinai. A view looking down the Nile, Cairo. A Muslim funeral. Young monk, monastery of St. Catherine, Sinai. Portrait of a sheikh on the road to Sinai. An Arab feeding his camel palm leaves. A Bedouin couple, Sinai. View of one of the springs of Moses.